In this video, I will show you how to download the new Scarlet iOS and use it to install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer. This method works without PC, without Mac, and without jailbreak. You only need Safari, Scarlet, and the IPA file directly from your iDevice. Before we start, make sure you use IPA files from trusted sources only. This tutorial is for educational purposes and for installing apps that you are allowed to use. Now, let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Then, in the search bar, type applejr.net. After the website opens, you will see several tools including Scarlet, eSign, and KSign. For this tutorial, we are going to use Scarlet, so look for the Scarlet section. Next, before installing Scarlet, you need to install the applejr DNS first. Then tap Allow. After that, go to your settings. You should see Profile Downloaded at the top. Tap on it, then tap Install. Once the DNS profile is installed, now go back to Safari and return to applejr. Next, now you can install Scarlet directly from this page. If the signed status does not work for your device, don't worry. You can go back to the website and try the DNS new status instead. Now you can install Scarlet right here. So I recommend you use this new certificate. If signed status doesn't work for you, you can try the new Scarlet with DNS status. Now, click here and tap Install button. After that, go back to your home screen and wait a few seconds. Next, if you try to open Scarlet and you see Untrusted Enterprise Developer, don't worry. This is normal. To fix it, open Settings. Go to General, then scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. Tap the profile, then tap Trust. After the certificate is trusted, go back to your home screen and open Scarlet again. Now Scarlet should open normally, and you can start using it to install IPA files directly on your iDevice. Now, you can import your IPA file and install it directly using Scarlet. In my case, I want to install Delta Executor for iOS. To do that, simply open Scarlet, then tap the Import button. Now, select Files, then choose the IPA file you want to install. After you select the IPA file, Scarlet will start importing it into the app. Once the IPA file is imported, you will see it inside Scarlet. Now tap on the IPA file, then click Sign. Scarlet will start signing the app using the certificate. Just wait until the signing process is finished. After the signing is complete, you will see the Install option. Tap Install, then tap Install again on the pop-up. Now, go back to your home screen and wait for the app to finish installing. Once the app icon appears on your home screen, that means the IPA file has been installed successfully. Now, you can open the app and use it normally on your iPhone or iPad. So that's how to download the new Scarlet iOS and install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer. If Scarlet does not install, or you get an unable to install message, just go back to applejr and try another Scarlet certificate option, especially the DNS method if you already installed the DNS profile. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and iPad tutorials.